Okay, so I've got the dongle that came with the machine inserted into the computer. I'm on a PC. So I'm just going to go in here first into the drivers. So I'm going to use the drivers. I'm going to go to the 64-bit drivers, and I'm going to run this as administrator. It would probably ask me to do that anyway, but I just want to go ahead and make sure that we do that. And we'll continue, and all of my stuff's popping up in the other window, but I agree. We'll let it find. And I do have it on the network. There it is. It found it. It is in fact a Rico SPC 342DN. So we'll go next. There we go. Now you will need the .NET 3.5 or something like that. And if you run this the first time for the driver, at least in some instances, if you run this the first time and it does the initial install of that .NET DLL or redistributable or whichever one it is, you'll have to go back and start this over again, and then it'll work. So then we're going to go back to the main folder, and let's do the ProRip software next. And I'm just going to navigate down to here, and again I want to run as administrator. Yes. And there we go. English, yes. It's going to move over to the other screen again. But it's asking for the flash dongle. The dongle is installed, so I'm going to hit next. And I want to see if I can bring this stuff over here. I'm doing this on not my main screen. I probably should have. Hopefully these windows will stay here and I won't have to keep dragging them. No, I'm going to have to keep dragging them. That's okay. Welcome. Next. I'm just going to next through everything except the agreement. I'm going to do a full install. Now, Corel, Illustrator, Photoshop. There's plugins. Ooh, that's neat. Okay. I have Photoshop. There we go. We'll just leave everything. I'm going to leave everything default. Okay. We'll let it go through its paces here. And then there's also going to be this Smart Cut software. I may do that in a separate video. I don't plan on using that very often, at least not initially. So I may just make that a separate thing, because this is more of a crash course and get her done kind of thing. I'm ready to print something and press it onto something. So shouldn't take too much longer. And I have been told, and I know this is a discontinued model, and some of the newer RIP software from Icolor and firmware is better in the new machines, the 650s and such. And that's fine. Again, you know, this is my very first foray into this particular field. So there we go. Install complete and finish. All right. And then it'll give me, of course, that icon. So that's it. Looks like the full install process, with the exception again of the Smart Cut. I'm going to do that later. But anyway, that's how you do it.